Hi, in front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Language and Input. Then click on those three sliders next to Android keyword. And as you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on this square next to the chosen one. Or tap on the chosen one and pick one of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!